These are questions for the Pakistani people. These are not questions for the United States. As I've said before, we support the peaceful upholding of democratic, constitutional, and legal principles around the world, including in Pakistan. We talk about freedom of expression, freedom of people around the world to access information, and we continue to highlight the importance of freedom of expression, including via access to the internet, as a human right that contributes to strengthening democracies and to strengthening countries around the world. This is something we advocate for with our partners and allies and countries around the world. We're discussing with our Pakistani counterparts. We're in regular discussion with our Pakistani counterparts about this. We encourage all states to uphold their respective obligations with regard to Afghan refugees or asylum seekers and to refrain from returning them to anywhere where they could face persecution or torture. The Secretary's meeting was, he conveyed a very simple message on that. It is the vision that President Zelensky has put forward for a just and durable peace. We've been very clear from the outset that we are never going to discuss anything about Ukraine without Ukraine. This was not that, and not that at all. In fact, the Secretary referenced the very plan that President Zelensky and his administration have put forward. A plan that would be just, that would be durable, that would be lasting in its outlook, and that would respect and adhere to the core principles of the UN Charter, including sovereignty and territorial integrity. The Secretary and we thought it was important that the Russians hear directly from us at that level that we are continuing to stand by Ukraine, continuing to in turn stand by the UN Charter, but of course, Ukraine wants this war to end. They have put forward a proposal. We are ready, working with Ukraine and countries around the world that want to see the UN Charter upheld, to support bringing this brutal war of aggression to a conclusion on a basis that is both just and durable.